the sidebar feature. So this is how you can actually specify different feature, and then you can put and you can link up those user stories under those feature.
So
Okay.
under the chat box feature, we have all these user stories bottom, right? These are
Yeah.
like
Oh, yeah.
child.
Yep. See. So the child of this chat
Yeah.
box feature, these are the
Chat
user
box is the
stories.
parent, and these are the child.
Yes. Okay. So this is how, like, when all of your user story is completed, okay, then you can close this chat box. That means this chat box feature is closed.
Okay.
Okay. And how you will specify that this user story is closed? When, let's say, under this user stories, okay, let me add this also into the sprint. So you can put all this. So as I was trying to show you. So that means, like, let's say I want to add all this. So just simply drag this feature and drop it into here, and
All
see.
will come.
Yep. See, all these are actually the 10 user stories, one feature. Okay. So
Yes.
if I go to the sprint and if I go to the task board, here I can see. See, all these user
Yes.
stories is right now is inside the current sprint. So if how will you actually refer that this user story is completed or closed? So for that, under this user stories, you may have multiple tasks, right? Like
Yes.
developing, designing, then also testing, then the also like deploying, or then UI UX. So so many things like will be involved on this user stories, right?
So,
So
Mr.
everyone,
Pranta, I have a question.
yes,
Who creates this task?
okay. So it depends. In some project, they actually assign to the members, like whoever will work. Let's say the UI UX designer, he will work under this user space. He will create his own task. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
he create his own task and add all the information. Then he will give estimate the things, and then he will actually update the task information. Okay.
Yes.
And in some project, actually also product owner is the responsible to also create the task and assign the task to the members. Okay, so it depends. Okay, project
Th-
to project, it varies.
Thank
So
you.
when you have, let's say you have 5 tasks under this user history. So when your 5 task is closed here, then you can actually close this user histories. Okay. And then this is how, when you will have all the user history is closed, then you can actually close this feature. Okay. And when you have multiple features, you can close that specific epics. So it comes like, let me show you. So it comes like this. Like here, first of all, it starts with the project. Okay. Then under the project, then it actually, like, here we
Will start
have,
as an organization or project?
sorry.
Sorry, I got confused actually. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. So in this project, we will have multiple epics. Okay. Epics 1, let's say epics 2, epics 3. Okay. Under these epics, we have multiple features. Okay. These are the features, let's say. So under this under these epics, we have these features. Okay. Under these epics, we have multiple features. Okay. Under these features, so let's say these are the features. Okay. So under these features, we have multiple user stories. Under which feature? Let's say this feature. So this is the feature. Let's say this is the chat box feature. Right. So in the chat box feature, we have multiple user stories. So let's say these are the user stories. User stories. Okay, US. Okay. Under these user stories, we will have multiple tasks. Okay. See? So this is how, like, this is how you will break down the whole project. So see here, you starts with the project, then you break down all those things into the epics, then then you break down those epics into the features, then you break down those features into the user stories, then you break down those user stories into the task.
That's a very nice example you just showed us. And what is this software called you're using? This is
I mean, what is this software? Sorry.
no, the app
No,
you're
no, this,
using.
this is
Okay,
paintbrush,
give
sir.
me 2 minutes, please. Wait.
Okay.
Kazi, sir.
Yes, this is paintbrush, right?
This is paintbrush. It is available on each and every laptop. Yes, it should be there. In your search box, type like na downside. There should be a search box. Type down paintbrush.
There are so many tools and things there on our laptops and everywhere. The only thing missing is I being not exploring all these nice things.
True.